Folks, this little gadget right here is called an Easy Out, and it is the best thing on earth. So what happened is I tried to remove the seat from the truck and donate it to a friend, but there's a problem. I got these front bolts out and on both sides, and then these rear bolts, it's only 4 bolts to get the seat out. These rear bolts would not come out no matter what I tried. I rounded them off trying all kinds of different tools. So basically, I went to Lowe's and picked up this little handy dandy thing. This is called an Easy Out or a bolt extractor. Basically, it has some crazy pattern on the other side that grips onto the bolt and will basically ruin the head as it tightens, as it grips on and unscrews. So I had to take this Easy Out, because I don't have a lot of room right here. I had to take this Easy Out and stick it on there, but then I couldn't get a socket on it. So that presented a new problem. So I had to go and get this huge 7/8 wrench in order to put on top of this to unscrew it. But I didn't have enough ass to unscrew it. So then I had to get this pipe, pretty thick pipe, and put that on top of it and use that as a breaker. And that helped, and I got it out. So now we're gonna take a look at what is under this seat. 22 years worth of stuff under the seat, I'm sure. Let's take a look. Holy crap. Look at this stuff. I'm surprised we don't have nests of things living under here. But 22 years worth of stuff under here, man. Just craziness. Look at this. 22 years. That's how old this truck is, I think. It's 98? Yeah. So there we go. Look at this shit, man. Crazy. So we're gonna go ahead and check the other side out. Then we're gonna go ahead and remove this seat and put in those seats over there. So let's take a look on this side, see what we have. More stuff. Look at all this. Money's rich monies. Probably a couple dollars and change in here. That'll do it. I'll take it. That was some hard work there. Hot as hell. All right, check it out. This is what we got now. What you think? It's still dirty as hell in terms of stains and stuff, but it's a race car, folks. It doesn't need to be clean. I just needed to get rid of all of the crap that was in here. It was hella disgusting. So I'll make a cool time lapse of the cleaning, and we're gonna start putting in the new seats, folks. That's what we're gonna do. Probably in the next video. I'm not sure yet. Just waiting. It's really hot, so we have to wait and see. But check it out. Check it out. See that? A lot cleaner than before. And really, taking the seat out, easiest thing ever. Other than those 2 bolts were the worst thing ever. Here are the bolts. This is what they look like. So now I have to run down to the hardware store and get 2 more of these, because the ones I pulled out are chewed up now and trash. But so this is what the truck looks like currently. It's in full street trim still. I'm going to be taking out some of this stuff, but I'm going to leave the AC in and all that because I want to run street classes. And you can't run street classes without AC. That's like the #1 thing. Damn, it's hot out here, man. It's like 150 degrees. No, for real, it's like 100. But it's stupid hot. See my bed liner with all the water in it? I'd hate to know what's under this bed liner. Probably the most rust ever. So here's my current situation. Tools everywhere, and seats, new seats with the brackets on. So these are the planted brackets, and they are really handy. They bolt right on, no issues. And I mean, I can't wait to get them in the truck, man. It's coming soon. Look at this. These are the old seats. I'm gonna give this seat to somebody in the Toyota group here locally because they want it for their truck. So I'll be removing that, putting it back together, and donating that today. A lot better than before. All right, so that's all we're gonna do for now. And what we'll do in the next video is see if we can get these damn seats in this truck, man. But I'm gonna show you the planted brackets first so you can see what they look like. Show you all that cool stuff, how easy it is to put those on. Holla.